Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Moffett. Guys, today's got a fun video. We've got a really fun video today. I want to ask you guys if you have any favorite YouTubers, if you would leave them in the comments. What's happening is I watch thousands of videos every year, and I thought at the end of the year it'd be fun for me to go over the ones I think that are the best in different categories. And then I thought, why not just have an award show? So um, we're going to have an awards show, I think, the first week in January. And there's going to be the first annual Rusty Shackleford Award for YouTubery excellence, given in 10 different categories. Uh, this is Wayne LaPontoon. He's not really winning anything. We won't let him know. He's a member of the Academy of YouTubery, just as I am. And Carl LaFong is president. But the categories are do-it-yourself, adventure, cooking, travel, health, prepping, personal finance, comedy, fishing, personal improvement. So if you have a personal favorite, personal channel that would be in one of these areas, go ahead and leave their channel in the comments, and they won't be able to win maybe, but the Rusty Shackleford Award, because the Academy has already decided on the nominees. I thought it would be fun to have a People's Choice Award along with the Academy Award. So we'll be having in each of those categories a winner from the Academy of YouTubery, and also we'll have the People's Choice Award, who they think, the little people, all of you little people watching the, the YouTube. So uh, I think I think it's going to be fun. Go ahead and leave in the comments. These are the categories once again. Do it yourself. We've got a lot of great do it yourselfers out there. Adventures, cooking. You could also nominate yourself. Uh, Not that I've done it more than once. Health, prepping, personal finance, comedy, fishing, and personal improvement. There may be an 11th category. I'm always coming up. I think I left something out later, but right now, I think it'll be the first week in January, because January is usually very slow. Nobody watches, so it'd be a good time to have some fun when nobody's around. And unsubscribe. Dear YouTube, what is this? I'm not watching this anymore. All right, guys, go ahead if you have. I know you do. I know you guys have your own personal favorite channel in each one of these. So just leave a comment which one you like, and we'll tally them up for the People's Choice. And like I said, and I think the first week in January we'll be having the first annual Rusty Shackleford Award. I'm not sure who's going to be doing the entertainment, but but I shall be presenting the awards. And so long as Carl LaFong lets me. All right, guys, I hope this was something fun for you, and you have something to contribute. That who are the channels you like in those categories that you've been watching all year long, you think need a little love. So, guys, take care. See you out there.